In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add design variations to Printify Etsy listings. Start by opening your browser and heading to Etsy. Sign into your seller account and you'll land on your shop dashboard. Think of this as your control center. From here, you manage products, orders, and settings. We're going straight to the place where new items live. On the left or top menu, find listings and open it to see your current products. Because we're creating something new, choose Add a Listing. This opens a fresh draft that will shape into a product with multiple design options synced from Printify. You'll first be prompted to enter basic product details. Begin by selecting the most accurate category for your item. Categories help Etsy surface your listing to the right shoppers and also unlock the most relevant variation types. Once you pick the category that best matches what you're selling, continue to the next screen. Now scroll to the variation section. Click Variations to expand the tools, then choose Add Variations. Here you can select from common options like size, color, or style, or create a custom variation that matches your specific designs coming from Printify. Clear, consistent names are key. Use labels customers instantly understand, such as Design A, Design B, or the actual artwork names. Keep the option list focused on what you're truly offering so buyers aren't confused. When you're finished setting them up, click Done to save your variations. With your options in place, configure the details. You'll see checkboxes for prices vary, quantities vary, and SKUs vary. Turn on prices vary if certain options cost more, for example, larger sizes or premium colors. Enable quantities vary to reflect real stock per option, which prevents overselling. Switch on SKUs vary if you track each variation separately. Matching SKUs to your Printify variants helps orders route correctly and makes restocking easier. Go through each row and set the correct price, quantity, and SKU for every option. Before you finalize, review everything carefully. Confirm spelling, option order, and that each variation has the right price and inventory. When it looks good, click Apply to save your changes to the listing draft. Your listing now offers clear design variations, making your shop more organized and the buying experience smoother. Accurate, up-to-date variation data helps customers choose confidently and can improve visibility and sales over time. And that's it. You've successfully added design variations to your Printify Etsy listing.